Everyone dreams of wearing the crown, but very few are truly willing to carry its heavy weight. Today, we talk about a journey of fire, where right between your grandest dream and your current reality, there stands a massive wall. And that wall is your will. It is the only thing standing in your way. Remember, your will determines your destination. It's not about luck. It's about raw, pure grit. The real fight begins deep within you. Imagine this, a city at 4 a.m., silent, still, fast asleep. But somewhere, someone is already putting on their shoes. Their body is exhausted, and their mind whispers, "Stay in bed. You've done enough." The mind says rest, but something inside them refuses to stop. They rise anyway. That, my friend, is mental discipline. It is the solid bridge that connects your exhaustion to your ultimate goals. Success is not a lottery you win. It's a war, and every single day you fight that war against yourself. Do you know why most people stop halfway? Because they are always looking for the easy path. We live in a world designed to distract you. Social media, notifications, comfort. These things feel harmless, but slowly, they are stealing your time. Time that you will never, ever get back. And the worst part is, you don't even realize when you're falling behind. True victory belongs to those who choose the hard path. When you feel tired, when the rain pours down on your soul. When you feel like quitting, that exact moment is where your character is built. Character isn't born, it's forged. Forged in the intense fire of your struggles and your pain. 9. Failure is not the end of the road. It's a classroom. The person who falls 10 times and has the heart to rise 11, that person simply cannot be defeated. They are unstoppable. 10. Real power is self-control. You cannot control everything that happens around you, but you can always control how you respond to it. And that, my friend, changes everything. 11. Consistency is the force that can carve marks even into solid stone. It's not about a single burst of intensity. It's about showing up every single day, especially when you don't want to. Every moment is either pushing you forward or pulling you back. There is no in-between. There is no neutral ground. At the end of the day, the choice is yours, and yours alone. So, starting today, take control of your life. Don't choose the easy path. Choose the hard one, because that's where your greatness is hiding. If this inspired you, please subscribe and like. Your journey starts now.